Guys, the long-awaited foldable phone from OnePlus is expected to launch in August, and we now have first set of CAD-based renders that is published by SmartBrick. The OnePlus V Fold will not just be a rebadge Oppo Find N2 as previously speculated, but will in fact sport a large footprint more in line with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Vivo X Fold 2. Guys, in terms of design, we can see the OnePlus V Fold will bring sleek metal sides and a tall cover screen with a punch hole. The back appears to have a leather-like finish and a prominent camera ring housing 3 sensors and hazel blade branding. Based on rumors, we should see a 50 megapixel main camera alongside an unspecified ultra-wide module and a pre-scope lens. Guys, the OnePlus Fold cover display will house a 32 megapixel front-facing camera, while the new renders don't mention the exact dimensions of the main screen, but rumors suggested an LTPO AMOLED screen with the resolution somewhere in 2K and a 120Hz refresh rate. Guys, there is fingerprint scanner integrated into the power button on right side, as well as 3 speakers with one located at the bottom next to the USB-C port and 2 more on the top. Guys, the OnePlus V Fold is expected to debut with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and a 4800 mAh battery with support for up to 100 watt charging. Guys, we are looking for more info on OnePlus V Fold. Until that, you should watch amazing updates about Galaxy Z Fold 5, and if you got some knowledge from this video, then please press the subscribe and like button.